Hi all, I am CA Saili Limay and I am glad that we are starting commerce classes from 11, 12, FY, SY, TY, BCom up to MCom at Success Mantra. And for this, I would like to introduce Nupura ma'am in Success Mantra team. So Nupura ma'am has a qualification of BCom, MCom and she is CA Inter also. And currently she is teaching at reputed institute in Pune. So Nupura, what is the plan for current educational year at Success Mantra?
The plan at Success Mantra Academy for current educational year is that we'll be starting a 12th standard exam oriented batch. Now, what do you mean by exam oriented batch? We'll be conducting an exam oriented batch which will cover the entire syllabus, but the focus will be on solving the exam questions that come in your exams because exams are nearing, right? So we will give more focus on covering your exam questions, but we'll cover the entire syllabus as well. And the subjects that will be covered will be accounts, economics, OC, SP, English, and maths will be covered by another sir.
Yes, so students will get all the subjects under same banner. So Nupura, you know the USP of Success Mantra that we conduct portion-wise test series, full syllabus test series. We give self-study guidance and motivation to CA students. So whether same USP will be available to commerce students as well?
The USP of Success Mantra Academy of conducting test series will be available to commerce students as well. For 12th standard students, we'll be conducting test series based on 40%, 80% and then 100% of syllabus. And there will be a 4th test series which will be covered in 100% syllabus. We'll be also providing self-study guidance and paper presentation guidance. That will be provided by me as well as Saili ma'am because she is expert in that already, we know. So her guidance will be of help to us, right? So she'll be providing the guidance as well.
Yes, so Nupura, I am very happy that the success mantras that CA students used to get, commerce students will also get now. So entire audience and I am very excited about this batch. So Nupura, when you are starting with this batch?
Batch will be starting from 20th December, that is Monday, and the batches will be conducted in the afternoon and in the evening. The batches will be conducted online as well as offline. So you can come here and attend the batch face to face or you can sit at home and attend. And there will be a recorded backup also available which will be available with ma'am. So you can come and collect the backup also if you want. So this will be as per the convenience of yours.
Yes, so it is convenient for all the students. So on behalf of parents and students, Nupura, I would like to ask whether students can attend demo lectures for this batch.
The facility of a demo lecture is available for this batch. They can come and attend a demo lecture for a week. There are certain videos uploaded on this channel, so you can go and watch this channel and what is the videos uploaded on this channel as well.
So those who want to attend the demo lectures from 28 December Monday can fill up the enquiry form given in description and share this information of 12th exam oriented batch and video to all your friends and family. And thank you very much for watching this video.